Duvenick St. Francis, you are loud and clear, sir. How copy me? Please advise also what type of antenna you're using vis-a-vis J-pole or the J-pole and a PVC pipe, and what elevation you have your antenna. Go ahead.
So I'm reading you loud and clear, and actually right now I'm using a disco antenna, broad spectrum antenna, and it's about 25 feet up.
Okay, copy a discount antenna 25 feet. And have you had any check-ins from BPCs or neighborhood certs? If so, go with the numbers.
Yeah, I've got check-ins from 6 BPCs and 0 certs.
Okay, copy 6 over 0 for Duvenick St. Francis. Do you have further traffic, sir?
I don't understand it.
Okay, we have you logged in there. Thank you very much. This is Palato Net Control. Stand by. Barron Park 1, go ahead.
Currently have J-pole 10 foot to the tree, and our BPC set numbers are 2 and 0.
Okay, BP1, we copy J-pole 10 foot in a tree, 2 BPC 0 neighborhood certs. And do you have any further traffic?
Control to Barron Park 1, no traffic standing by.
Okay, Barron Park 1, you're welcome to stay on, or you can log off at any time, but we have you, and thanks for the traffic. Break. This is Palato Net Control. Standing by. Midtown 1, go ahead. Okay, we copy you barely, that you switched around the J-pole antenna and that you were on battery power. Go ahead. Midtown 1, we lost you there. Break. Adobe Meadow, are you still on? Can you relay what Midtown 1 had?
Roger, he said that he was stumped, didn't know where to go from there. He was using Alan's radio and had changed everything back and forth. So it's like you said, mystery right now, over.
Okay, Jerry, I copy that. Yeah, that is a mystery. The only thing I'm kind of thinking of is, I suppose, maybe some feed line loss that's just getting to the point where my radio doesn't like it, but you're still full quieting where you are. Do you have any other thoughts, Jerry? Go ahead.
My thought is that if he moves his antenna just slightly, a couple of feet if he could, I think he must be in a null, in a multi-path null, especially since you reported that Alan was solid from the street at his location, over.
Okay, Adobe Meadow, I copy that. Break. Midtown 1, in case you didn't copy Adobe Meadow, and I don't know if you were able to do this, but if you could move your antenna a few feet over, maybe you're in a null, and maybe that would improve. Break. Midtown 1, did you copy?
Midtown 1, I'm able to copy both of you fine. We're actually standing up by Al's car with the J-pole. Is that better?
Yeah.
Yes, that is substantially better, so I think that confirms Jerry and Adobe Meadow's hypothesis that maybe we have a multi-path null problem at your location, because we're reading you okay, not great, but we're reading you much better with the J-pole by Al's car. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna walk and talk here and tell me if I hear anything. Sidewalk, I pause. We'll see how much there is.
Midtown 1, it degraded, your signal degraded substantially as you walked down the sidewalk away from the car. Do you copy me still?
I copy that. My reception is went down. Now we're back in the spot that seems better. How was that?
Yeah, a little bit of white noise and picket fencing, but you're back to readable. And if my signal went down, that's of concern because my antenna's up 40 feet up.
So right now, where I'm standing, you're full quality. There's a lot of static in the other locations.
All right, Midtown 1. Well, we may have to see if we can do something else about your antenna. I know that might be a headache for you, but that's why we do these tests. So at least with regard to reaching the ESV DOC, we're going to have to figure out something. Do you have any further traffic at this point, Midtown 1? Go ahead.
Just one question. When we did the last test during the rainy days, we're having a similar kind of issue. And I think we found something at this location, but I don't know what it was. Is there a camera or something else going on?
Midtown 1, I copy. However, today we're using a totally separate radio, a totally new antenna, at a totally different location. Last time in the rain we were at the mobile EOC. This time we're down at Cubberley with an antenna new up on a mast about 40 feet up. So it just could be coincidental that we had issues, although last time in the rain we had issues with other stations, and it was water getting into the BNC connector adapter and causing attenuation. That's certainly not going on today. You copy? Okay, roger that. This is Palo Net Control standing by.
You got